Good morning, guys. How are we going? It's actually afternoon now here. I've waited for the 2 o'clock candle to do this update. Just waiting to see what sort of direction we've got on the weekly. So we'll start on the weekly because we just zoom out at the start of the week and have a look at what's going on. You can still see there's these vectors sitting here. The structure here is being tested from the underside. We're still pushing up into it again. And you can basically see, if you zoom in on it, you can see there's liquidity here and here for the weekly. And obviously there's still some of this vector left, and that there doesn't always get reclaimed, but you need to know where the liquidity is so we find out where they're going. So at the moment, the liquidity is to the downside. It is short here. We move to the daily, and you can see over the weekend we've sort of pushed up, and yesterday we took a dump. And we're heading back to these MAs or down to demand, which is normal. Supply, demand, retested the underside of this structure here, and we've rejected pretty hard. So we're not coming back to demand. We're running on a bullish theme on the daily as well, and it actually says chop, so stand down, nothing as yet. And that's normal for the start of the week, so I'd expect you wouldn't be trading. The 4 hour, so this is where we start getting into the business. So we've still got a long signal here. And if this is a bullish pullback inside an uptrend, that's fine. But we're bullish until proven otherwise. Yes, we can short because we know we're coming down. We'll look to the 1 hour for that. But bullish pressure is still at 50. The 1 hour here, it's giving us our direction, and it's actually neutral at the moment. It's a short and a signal because we've broken structure to the downside. So we're traveling down. We're neutral at the moment. We're going sideways, you can see that, but we've got a reaction at demand, but no real drive behind it. So it's kind of, it's either coming back to get the liquidity before a bounce and come up and claim this candle at least here and maybe tap into this supply. Like I said, I think I said that there was a CME gap above up at 86 or something. So if we are going to make another leg up and break out of this current range, if we are going to break through this supply, we can see that we're probably going to go up. So that could look like this, make a higher high, higher low, or it could just look like a rocket ship straight up to get it and break out of this range. All right. So 1 hour, our direction is still down at the moment, but you can see we've got a reaction at demand here. It's pushed off. It's held pretty well. We're still neutral though, so keep it in mind. Just stay away until we've got some clear signals. You can see though on this here, we've broken through, we've come back, we've cleaned out that vector with these wicks, then we've pushed back in and we've got a displacement candle here, and then we've got the response from demand. So it's sandwiched in here. Don't get chopped out. It is pretty choppy. Look for direction, look for confirmation. We get confirmation by structure, the external parts of the structure of the time frame you're on. So in a 15-minute, I'm still holding shorts from my entries up here from yesterday. I'm happy to see a supply is around the area of my entry, so I haven't moved my stop loss to entry. I'd like to see it come up and hit the supply and reject, to be honest. But it's neutral on the 15-minute as well, and it's still saying short. No guarantees, obviously, and it's for educational entertainment purposes, not financial advice, obviously. But I'm positioned short for most things at the moment. What have I got that I could share? Oh, sorry. CME gap. We've now got a CME gap here, right here in this whole space above us. So that is a target as well. If you want to discuss that anymore, jump in Zoom and I'm happy to walk through the exact numbers because we've also got CME gaps below. I think we've got a couple now. We've got a couple above, a couple below. It's pretty interesting time. So we're looking for a breakout of some sort. But I wouldn't be taking any rushing into any shorts or longs right now. This little vector here and this little vector here, this little vector here would help longs to go to the upside, but to the downside, that's with what's going on. with Iran and stuff. They you never know. They could send it to hell first. It's just Monday. It's choppy, so just let it rest for now. And yeah, don't forget, if you want to jump in on a Zoom call at any time, sing out and I'll join in with you. Cool. Thanks.